So today we're working on my 1995 Mercedes E320 Wagon, and the goal is to replace the crusty looking exhaust hangers. There's two, there's one on each side of this muffler in the rear. This is what the new exhaust rubber mount looks like in the package. I'll put a link in the description. I got these on Amazon, they're pretty inexpensive. Starting on the passenger side, and I'm just going to use the jack to lift the muffler a little bit. It's taking a little of the tension off of that hanger. I'm going to stop right there. Alright, seems like that worked. Gotta get it off the top, but it may have stretched a lot over time, so we'll see what we can do. There is a tool that's made for pulling on these exhaust hanger, but I'm trying to use something else that's just basically like a hook. I think I need to pull this muffler this direction. Alright, oh, there. Got it. So I think the key was getting it jacked up high enough and then pulling the muffler into alignment. So okay, now we're going to work on the driver's side, so I'm going to try and use the same process. Just lift this up and take some pressure off that thing. Got my hook here, my hook tool. I'll put a link to this guy in there too, so if anybody wants to use this tool, or if you want to look at the tool that is more purpose built for this, I'll add links to both. There's the old one out. There's a new one. I mean, when I looked at the first one, I thought, boy, I don't know if I got the right part, but these things are just pretty stretched out and super crusty and dry and brittle, like could rip or break pretty easily. So pretty cheap little thing to fix, peace of mind. Probably I'll never have to do this again on this car, so I like it when I work on stuff and I can fix it and say I'll never have to do that again. Should last as long as I own the car. Alright, so we got that in place. This is where usually some good 4-letter words help me get over the hump, but I'm trying not to since I'm on video. I may have to pause the video and curse at it for a minute. Okay, after a little bit of swearing and a combination of this hook and this screwdriver, I think I'm there. I just need to see if I can get my tools out without losing it. So we're on. I feel like it's a little twisted, so I might have to play with that a little bit and see if we can't straighten things out a bit. There. I think this is supposed to be kind of like that. So take a look at my other videos. Hope this helped you. Please subscribe and leave comments. Cheers.